everyone, in this video I will show you how to make Telegram account without number. And what I'm trying to say here is without using your own number, because we all know that without phone number it's impossible to create an account here on Telegram. So what you're going to do here is you have to go to your Play Store if you're using Android, or App Store if you're using iPhone, and you can search for free text messages or free temporary number. All you have to do is to install, for example, this one, text or free text, the green one here. You can now tap and then install this application. So this offers a free temporary phone number. So by using free temporary phone numbers, you can create a Telegram account. But I just want to clarify that if you're using a temporary phone number, you can also use your Telegram account for a temporary time or season, because when you update your Telegram or when you log in your Telegram using other device with the same temporary number, and they will send you a code, you will not able to receive a code, then it's useless. So this is just for temporary account. Now you can go and look for the temporary phone number. If you want to use the telephone number longer, then I think you need to upgrade your plan. So once you get the temporary phone number, you have to copy, go back to your Telegram, and then paste it right here. Now, if this application didn't work, you can go back to your Play Store or App Store and look for other applications that offer temporary phone and numbers. Okay, so temporary phone numbers can be useful for signing up for services like Telegram without using your personal number. Several online services provide temporary or disposable phone numbers for verification purposes. But like we've mentioned earlier, if you're looking for a long-term use for these phone numbers, it's kind of impossible. But if you're using, or if you want to use this Telegram account for a short period, I hope this video reached you. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.